Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Back for some more fucking trouble. Woo! Alright. It's been a while since I've made a pizza video. I've been lazy. Doesn't mean I haven't been making pizzas, just haven't been making any videos. Today I have something very special in store for you. I am making a burrito pizza. Not a pizza burrito. Any jackass can take a normal pizza, roll it up and call it a pizza burrito. But I'm actually making a beef and bean burrito pizza. I made up a batch of my beautiful beef and bean burrito mix right here. And I made up some pizza dough right here. And I'm gonna make a pizza, a burrito pizza. So this is what I'll be using. My beef and bean burrito mix. There will be a link down below and a description box to see how to make that. There will also be a link for my pizza dough. And it's going to be very basic. Even though I do have beans in here, I'm going to still use some refried pinto beans. I'm going to use some old cheddar, Monterey Jack with jalapeno. I'm going to use some sour cream, some pickled jalapenos, Frank's chili and lime, and some chorizo sausage. Alright, and I'm going to open that fucking beer. Woo! I was supposed to do this last night, but I didn't get home till like midnight and I was pretty fucking schwacked. So I said, fuck it, I'll do it tomorrow. So, beer, 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 beer. Cheers, big ears. Garshiks. Vai, come on, garsho alos. Alright, I gotta grate some fucking cheese and get the dough rolled out. I'll be back. Alright, bitches. Got the dough put in the pan and the bean paste spread out fairly thinly. No kind of sauce. That's why I'm using the bean paste. So, and we got some of the Monterey Jack with jalapeno and old cheddar shredded up. So let's put a nice thin layer of cheese. We're gonna do 2 layers of cheese. I'm gonna do the cheese, then the meat, then more cheese, and then some of that chorizo sausage. You know, pizza's gotta have a sausage. Alright, so you get the idea. Let me put this down, and then we'll put the meat down. And you know how it goes. Then it's time for a zippy. Ask Mr. MMT about a zippy. Woo! Fucking A. That's just fucking beautiful. Jim fucking dandy, I tell you. Fucking A. Alright. Do this. This is done. Good enough. Meat is next. You don't need to see me spoon all this meat in there. You know how it's gonna go. Flatten her out. Fucking ye fucking ha, motherfucker. Woo! Drink up, buttercup. Woo! I'll get this done and I'll be back. Alright, bitches. Got our layer of burrito, beef and bean burrito mixture. Frank's chili and lime. It's the best. It's the best, Frank's. Buy this shit. It's fucking good. Know we're gonna put some more of this on at the end too. Well, let's get this right in here. And then we're gonna throw another layer of cheese down. Fuck yeah. It's fucking awesome. Woo! After that much sauce pouring, it's time to pour the sauce into me. Woo! There you go, bitches. fucking beef and bean burrito pizza. Not a pizza, burrito. More cheese. More cheese, please. Okay, and after that, we'll put some of that fucking sausage right on there. Okay, you get the idea. You don't need me watching me do all this fucking shit. I'll be back. RTFO, mofos. Cheers, big ears. Whoa. Alright, our chorizo is on there, and I'm gonna put a few of these pickled jalapenos on one half, because I am taking half of the pizza for a visit to the neighbors. They don't like when the shit gets too hot. I'm gonna make another pizza too. I'm just gonna make a cheese and pepperoni pizza. Alright, good enough. Alright. Here you go, fuck nuts. Woo! In the oven she goes. Alright, time. This will probably be about half an hour. I'm not doing this outside because it's really shitty weather. It's raining. And, yeah. There you go. Here's a nice fucking pie. I tell you that right now. There we go, bitches. Woo! Yeehaw! Alright. See you in a bit. Drink up, buttercup. Woo! RTFO. Alright, bitches. You know what time it is? It's vice grip time. Oh yeah! Woo! Well, that looks fucking yummy. Arrgh. How about fucking that? Hey? Alright. Let me get this out of the pan and sliced up. Woo! RTFO. Mofo. Alright, bitches. It's time to get a piece of fucking pie. Woo! She's fucking hot. Tell you that. There you go. This is the beef and bean burrito pizza. It smells fucking awesome. Fucking awesome. I tell you what. I said what? This is double Vault Boy approved. I'm gonna throw a little extra Frank's chili and lime on there. And sour cream. Gotta have some fucking sour cream on this bitch. Oh yeah. Come on. Mofo. Woo! Fucking A. Well, let's give her a whirl, boys and girls. And don't forget the others. We don't discriminate here in the drunk house. Smells fucking amazing. Get some of this fucking sour cream on there, shall we? Fucking A. Oh, yum, fucking yum. Wow. That's fucking good. Oh yeah. Holy shit. You guys gotta try this. Wow. There you go. Bet you didn't know you could do that, eh? On a pizza. That's fucking amazing. This is a unique type of pizza, but it's fucking good. Not something you'd want to make every fucking day. Oh yeah. Fucking A. There you go, bitches. Fuck yeah. Alrighty. Woo! That's fucking good. Oh, all right. I'm going to take one more bite of this. On camera. A little spicy. That's good. Nice. Come here, you. Get that on, right on there. Look out! Oh! Gotta have a sour cream. Oh yeah. Fucking A. All right. At this time, at this place, at this very fucking moment, it's time for a tea. You know what I'm saying? It's tea time, bitches. And here you go. Today, our tea, Tiger beer. Go get him, Tiger. Woo! Hey, what's this? Something on the bottom of my beer can. What the fuck is that all about? Alright. Let's open this bitch up. This fine Singapore bitch. Gotta like the bitches from Singapore. Yeah! Nom 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 nom. Oh, fuck, that's good. Alright, bitches. Make this fucking pizza. You're gonna fucking like it. Guarantee it. Woo! Until next time, RTFO, mofos.